Hey everyone, I want to jump right into frames. So frames are very important for creating UI in Figma. So this is where the frame tool is. You could easily create a frame by pressing F. So if I just press F, I've already have the tool selected. Over here, I want to just point this out really quickly because when you do create a frame, you're going to see the ability to create a frame based off of a phone size or a tablet size. They even have desktop sizes. So you can create the frame based off of that. You can also just draw it on the board, on the canvas area. So I can just draw a large frame like that, and it's automatically going to say frame 1. I'm going to just go back really quickly. But if I select, like, say, the phone, it's going to automatically create that frame and also create the name for the frame. It will name the frame based off of the type of device. And you can also, select that frame name and rename it any which way you like. So frames are really great for creating content or putting your content inside. So how do you use frames? So if I have my frame selected, I can see all the properties associated with this frame. I can see, its fill. I can, add a different fill if I want to. I can see like its positioning. I can see its size. Basically, this is the majority of the stuff that you're going to basically see with a frame. Now, to create a frame, you can do a couple different things. So say if I have a couple of different items. So I'm going to create some squares. So I'm going to take the rectangle tool, or I'm going to just press R. And I'm going to hold down Shift while I'm dragging to make a square. And I'm going to make a copy by pressing Option. So I have 2 squares here. Let's make them blue squares. So we have 2 blue squares here. Now you can take 2 items and actually select them and group them as a frame. The easiest way to do that is either click one and hold Shift and click the other, and you can do this until you decide not to do it and select a bunch, or you can just drag over and you would select Command, Option, and G. That is for Mac OS. You can also do the same with Control Alt G on Windows. So that's how you group a frame. And that's the easiest way for that. Now, if I wanted to take this frame away, I'm just going to press Shift Command G, which is actually the same or similar command to which is on Windows, which is Shift Control G. So I've selected that. Now the frame has disappeared. So I like to, put frames within frames just as containers to hold my content. And you're going to see how I do that later.